Hi everybody, it's so good for me to come on this video to talk to you a little bit in this time of the coronavirus event that we have. And as you know, the whole country is sort of in a quarantine environment, and every day is changing. So I thought that maybe I'll share some of my thoughts with you in order for all of you to be safe, you know, in what you do, and your family knows exactly what to do. You've heard a lot of things, obviously, from the CDC and the FDA and so on, but you notice there's a common thread that goes through all their suggestions and recommendations, and the most important thing that you can do is actually to wash your hands, right? I mean, it has been said over and over again that washing your hands with soap and water is perhaps the most effective way of keeping yourself safe. And it's important because it's scientifically based, and the reason why you have to do that is because obviously is to get rid of all the germs and microbes or whatever you have in your hands. Here's one big tip, however, when you do it though, right? I think I might have mentioned this previously. Washing your hands doesn't mean just putting your hands under the tap or faucet and taking away your hands almost immediately. You do need to do it for about 20 seconds and make sure you rub your hands all over, especially between your fingers, and so that you can really clean your hands in the most effective manner. So, and the tip is really for that 20 seconds is really just sing happy birthday to yourself twice. And I think you'll be able to do it in 20 seconds. That's the most important thing that you can do. Now, the other thing you heard about this social distancing thing, I mean, that's a new phrase. I think that's come into our vernacular, and we'll be using it a lot, especially in our business, because that's not something that we do a lot because you're all members of the family. But clearly, social distancing means about 6 feet apart when you talk to each other. And I guess you may have to stop hugging each other for a bit and just give yourself a little bit of an elbow bump. That would sort of really improve your safety level in the sense of not touching each other, temporarily, obviously, for now. Soon we're going back to hugging each other very soon. So those are the 2 tips I think you can use every day to keep safe. And why do we have to do this? Because this virus, obviously, the defense that we have is our immunity or the immune system. And the most important thing to keep your immune system really strong and robust is to make sure the whole body is nutritionally strong. And that's always been the case, right? If you keep your body nutritionally healthy and you inadvertently and deliberately, all the systems in your body will be very strong and rigorous, including your immune system. So therefore, you know, eat well, sleep well. That's another thing that you may forget. If you sleep well, I think it will help your body to remain strong. So those are the things that you can do to keep the immune system really strong so that you can defend yourself against any other environmental factors, right? And as you know in Nu Skin, right, we have a whole slew of Pharmanex nutritional supplements that are science-based and pharmaceutical grade. And some of the products are obviously very, very important in this day and age and in its current environment. So I'll be talking about some of these products in the next videos or so. So be safe, and as always, we're thinking of you here. We're still at work, and while most of us are telecommuting and talking to each other via Zoom and all the video conferencing that we do, but you being on the outside, I think we keep you in our minds all the time, and we are always available in case you need to email us or text us or whatever. So be safe wherever you are in the world, and make sure you wash your hands. Thank you.